ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു എക്സാംസ് കോർണർ. ഇന്നത്തെ വിഷയം സൈക്കോളജി കാറ്റച്ച് നവംബർ 2019 പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യലാണ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ പാർട്ട് 1 നമ്മൾ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് കാണാത്തവർ അത് കാണുക. നമുക്കപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഹൂ പ്രപ്പോസ്ഡ് ദ കോൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഫുള്ളി ഫങ്ഷനിങ് പേഴ്സണാലിറ്റി? Who proposed the concept of fully functioning personality? The answer is Carl Rogers. Next question. The individual has both positive valence of approximate equal intensity that may cause conflict is known as approach conflict. The individual has both positive valence of approximate equal intensity that may cause conflict is known as approach conflict. The term need for achievement is coined by Henry Murray. Next question. PWD Act established in the year 1995. In which year PWD Act established? In 1995. The ability to think about thinking is known as metacognitive thinking. What is meant by metacognitive thinking? The ability to think about thinking is known as metacognitive thinking. Running of words together is a speech defect known as stuttering. What is meant by stuttering? Running of words together is a speech defect. What is stuttering? It is a speech defect of running of words together. Next question. Select the most suitable expansion for TAT by Morgan and Murray. The options in the question papers were option A, teaching aptitude test, option B, teaching ability test, option C, thematic apperception test, option D, thematic aptitude test. Select the most suitable expansion for TAT by Morgan and Murray. The answer is thematic apperception test. Next question. One should have constant practice in what has once been learned. This indicates one should have constant practice in what has once been learned. This indicates law of use. Next question. NCERT established in the year of? In which year NCERT established? The answer is in 1961. Next question. Mainstreaming in inclusive education means? Mainstreaming, progressively including and maintaining exceptional students. What is mainstreaming in inclusive education? Progressively including and maintaining exceptional students. Next question. As per the NCF recommendations, the total time for homework is? As per the National Curriculum Frame recommendations, the total time for homework is 2 hours. The answer is 2 hours. Next question. Select a performance test of intelligence from the given below. Select a performance test of intelligence from the given below. The options were in question paper is option A, Rorschach's ink blot test. Option B. Raven's progressive matrices test. Option C. Alexander's Pachelong test. Option D. Thematic apperception test. Select a performance test of intelligence from the given below. The answer is Raven's progressive matrices test. Next question. Synetics is a technique designed for promoting creative students. Synetics is a technique for promoting creative students. For what Synetic is designed? It is for creative students. Next question. The author of the book Conditioned Reflexes. Who is the author of the book Conditioned Reflexes? Ian Pavlov. Who is the author? Pavlov. Next question. Who put forwarded the concept of advanced organizer? Who put forwarded the concept of advanced organizer? The answer is Ausubel. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.